9 minus 7 parenthesis 12 minus 6. 9 minus 7 will give us 2. Then we have 2 parenthesis 12 minus 6. Now we are going to solve our parentheses. 12 minus 6 will give us 6. Then we have 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is equals to 12. 12 is the wrong answer to this question because we do not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our parentheses, which is 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 will give us 6. Then we have 9 minus 7. Remember, in mathematics, if a number is close to a parenthesis, know that there's a multiplication sign in between. Now, we are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before subtraction. 7 times 6 will give us 42. Then we have 9 minus 42. 9 minus 42 will give us negative 33. Negative 33 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.